Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Enable remote desktop and allow it through the host firewall. Configure network-level authentication for additional security on the host. Create a dedicated user account with a strong password and limited privileges. Disable administrator account, remote sign-in when possible. Assign a static local IP or DHCP reservation for the host machine so port forwarding stays consistent. Install system updates and enable automatic security updates. Verify the host's Windows edition supports remote desktop and that the RDP service is running. Forward the chosen RDP port from the router to the host's static local IP. Use a non-standard external port instead of 3389 to reduce low-level scanning noise. Enable NAT loopback on the router if you need local and remote testing on the same network. Set up dynamic DNS so a domain name resolves to your changing public IP address. Restrict the router's port forwarding rule to specific source IPs when possible. Test connectivity from an offsite network using the domain and port. Prefer a VPN or SSH tunnel over direct RDP exposure to the internet whenever possible. Configure a site-to-site or client VPN and require strong authentication before granting internal access. Use an RD gateway or TLS wrap tunnel if a VPN is not available for encrypted RDP connections. Change RDP authentication policies, enable account lockout, and apply two-factor authentication for all remote accounts. Regularly review security logs, update the host and router firmware, and revoke access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.